Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the Valorant secure boot and TPM 2.0 error in your Windows 11, and this is exactly what I did to fix it. Now before we get to fixing anything, go ahead and close that error, go to your search, okay, and I want you to type this in exactly, SYS info. So we are going to be looking at our system information, okay, type in SYS info. There you go. Open up system information. And what you want to do is locate this line here that says, here we go, secure boot state. Okay. This one should say on. Now it says unsupported, or if it says off, we need to fix this. So what do you exactly do? You first go ahead and open your Windows settings. So right click on your start button on the lower left corner of the screen and then click on settings. Now from here, go ahead and click on update and security. And on Windows 11, this option is called a system. And then on the left hand sidebar, I want you to go ahead and click on recovery. Now from here under advanced startup, click on restart now. Once your PC restarts, you'll be presented with a blue screen and several options to choose from. So I want you to come here to troubleshoot and then click on advanced options. Come here and click on UEFI firmware settings. Now from here, I want you to go and find the secure boot setting and enable this. It's very easy. Just press the enter key on your keyboard. Now in addition to enabling secure boot, you also need to enable TPM 2.0 within the BIOS or UEFI. So go ahead to security under system protection and then just look for the TPM setting. So this option may say TPM, Intel platform, trust technology, IPTT. So if it's an AMD CPU, it would go ahead and say FTPM or TPM, right? So all you need to do to enable this is press the enter button to toggle it on. Okay, then just go ahead and press F10 to save your settings, guys. Please save your settings. Okay, press F10, save your settings, and then you can now exit BIOS and restart your computer. It's really that easy and simple. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to Smart Solutions.